Every single day, millions of vegetables are processed inside modern factories like this one, long before they reach our tables. This documentary takes you inside the industrial process behind everyday vegetables.
The process begins when fresh vegetables arrive directly from farms, harvested only hours earlier.
Wake up, run, it's time to fly. The portal's glowing, reach the sky. Lena says, let's take a ride through the jungle far and wide. Dino roars, the ground goes boom.
Pressure is stable. Monitoring
Lights up through the
no issues.
Step inside, the time gate spin, a brand new world is calling in. Welcome to the Dino world. From future's waiting, flags unfurl. Run with the raptors, roar with might. Dance with T-Rex in the light. From future city, jungle green. It's the wildest place we've ever seen. Around and Lena side by side. Time travelers in a dino ride. Stegosaurus waves his tail. Triceratops begins the trail. Velociraptor jumps so high. Catch me if you can, it cries. Big brontosaur, big brontosaur, big brontosaur, big brontosaur, big. Welcome to the Dino world. From future's waiting, flags unfurl. Run with the raptors, roar with might. Dance with T-Rex in the light. From future city, jungle green. It's the wildest place we've ever.
Before processing begins, every batch is carefully inspected for quality, size, and freshness. The vegetables are then thoroughly washed to remove soil, debris, and surface contaminants.
Advanced sorting systems use sensors and cameras to organize vegetables with remarkable accuracy.
Each vegetable follows a dedicated processing line designed specifically for its shape and texture.
Tomatoes are processed in different ways depending on their final use.
Carrots are washed, peeled, and prepared at high speed while maintaining consistency.
From corn to watermelon, each vegetable requires a unique process, yet all follow the same principles of hygiene, speed. Corn processing begins with separating the kernels from the cob, a process that must be fast, efficient, and gentle. Even thick-skinned fruits like watermelons go through thorough cleaning before processing. Pineapples require specialized machines to remove the tough outer skin while preserving the fruit inside. Once prepared, the fruit is pressed to extract fresh juice for further processing. Not every tomato is used the same way. Factories sort them based on texture and ripeness. For sauces and pastes, tomatoes are crushed and gently heated to preserve flavor.
Precision cutting ensures consistent size and even cooking.
Blanching helps preserve color, texture, and nutrients. Delicate vegetables like eggplants are handled with extra care. Although each vegetable follows a different path, the goal remains the same: efficiency, safety, and consistency.
Food safety is a top priority. Every stage of production follows strict hygiene standards to prevent contamination.
Temperature, timing, and moisture levels are continuously monitored to maintain consistent quality.
Rapid cooling slows bacterial growth and helps preserve freshness.
Before packaging, products are aligned and organized for maximum efficiency.
Automated packaging protects the vegetables and extends shelf life.
Every package is checked to ensure correct weight and a perfect seal.
Even with automation, human inspection remains essential. Finished products are stored under controlled conditions before shipping. Once approved, vegetables are prepared for distribution. From here, vegetables travel across cities and countries to reach consumers.
After leaving the factory, vegetables arrive at wholesale markets, where the next stage of distribution begins.
From markets, vegetables are delivered to grocery stores and supermarkets.
For most people, this is where the journey finally ends. But behind every vegetable lies a carefully designed industrial process.
Technology ensures speed, consistency, and safety at every step. And while machines do much of the work, people remain essential. Together, these systems feed millions of people every single day.
What seems simple on the surface is the result of precision, planning, and care.
From farm to factory, and finally to your table.
If you enjoy factory process documentaries, like the video and subscribe for more.